Arts found the way in. Here at the other corner. Oh, and we start already. Yeah, honey, I don't think you could buy that. I just
think it's so cool.
It is awesome looking, but definitely can't afford to buy that.
Yeah.
So this is almost all the same stuff that was at the, was it Frozen? Norway Pavilion? No, it was Mexico. Mexico Pavilion. All the same type of stuff. Oh, you need a tiara? Get yourself a little crown. Want a crown?
I'm a princess, of course I need a crown.
Oh, okay. Let me pick you out one. See if you like the one I pick you. I like this one. Is that the one you'd pick?
I like this one.
Of course you went with the one that's not anything close to the one I picked. That's my luck. Oh, hey, we can watch them making something. We'll just do it for a little bit. Take a little bit more longer and look around. All of this stuff I would love to be able to buy for Kristen. I'm sure she wants it all, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do. I always like these. These are fun. I think Kristen has one of these somewhere. Oh, I like that one. Ooh, pumpkins. Yeah, yep. I could not live in Florida. I would go broke.
I know.
Absolutely broke.
Totally. Look at the teacup.
Oh, I want the love.
I do too. I love that.
Oh, I want the teacup. Oh, I want the milkshake with the straws. And I want Snow White and Dopey and the deer. Oh, we gotta leave. We've got to go. Ooh, that's cool. The rose. Everything. I want everything.
I know.
I wonder if there's a Captain Hook somewhere on this table. That would be a possibility. I don't see one. That'd be cool if there was, though. That would definitely be a possibility for Smurf, because we owe him a Captain Hook something or another. Captain Hook has a ship. That's a ship. And that might be far-fetched. Okay, we'll keep looking. Well, as we're making our way back up front, what's next? What do we have here? This looks fun. What is in here?
We're gonna find out.
Looks like more expensive stuff for Kristen. Oh, yep, more expensive stuff for Kristen. Dresses, purses. I love how decorated it is, though. It's very festive. I like it. Oh gosh. Oh no. Why did we even come in here? What were we thinking?
I like that.
I do too, actually. I really, really like that. How much is it?
I have no idea.
More than we could afford, I'll tell you that. I'm gonna go with a couple hundred. Book bags are cool too. We'll let you know. I was close. I said a couple hundred, 260. We need to scale back a little bit. Maybe a smaller one? Or is that the same thing? Nah, same thing, $2.68. How about a handbag? Of course, I like this too. That's cute. I don't know, I like it all. Well, this is just one wall. Ooh, that would be a fun Halloween bag. Ooh, that'd be a fun Halloween backpack. And that could be a Christmas backpack. And we could have like a everyday backpack. And we could have a backpack for every season and every place we go. And we'd just be poor, but we'd have backpacks. Pandora. I think we looked at all this kind of stuff before. And this just goes from one store where we want everything to another store where we want everything. That is cute. Ooh, I like Steamboat Willie. Right behind you. I mean, it's not something we'd get, but it's just cool.
Oh my
No.
gosh.
Oh, this stuff is cool.
That's so
I like this train. Is that a Big Thunder Mountain? It might be. There's Peter Pan. Beauty and the Beast. All kind of fun stuff. Hey, how long do you think it'd take me to read this book? I mean, it's a pretty thick book. What is that, 2 inches?
I'm gonna go with a while.
A while, but oh my gosh, is it cool? I mean,
Oh, look.
Steamboat Willie?
I really love that.
Yeah, here, just flip through it. It's got all kind of fun stuff on it. Yeah, but it would take me forever to read that. And I don't think it's actually for sale. This Christmas stuff is super cool too. Ooh, I really like this one. That's awesome. Fab 4 figurine, $75.
Which kind?
Dior.
Oh my gosh, did you see that?
I did see that. I like the Fab 4 one though.
Oh, that's cute. I like the Carol one.
And looking inside the stores is fun in itself, but looking outside the stores in the windows is even better. The window displays I love here. Now these are just candy displays, but later in the evening when we do the other side, those displays are awesome looking. Now we're not going to watch the parade, but before the parade they have a couple bands come through just that want to perform here. This band's actually from Ohio, which is awesome. Ohio's representing. Yeah, this is more what I'm talking about. Some cool, fun looking displays. And look, it's Daisy. Aww. Chip and Dale up there too. And Minnie. Well, the candy store ends the shops on this side of Main Street. I don't know if I'm ready for candy yet. I kind of want food. So we'll see. Although, those look good. I mean, everything looks good, don't get me wrong. Oh, Snowflake Rice Krispy Treat Mickeys. Ooh, Santa Rice Krispy Treat Mickey. Maybe we'll have to get something before we leave. All of this stuff
Looks amazing.
looks amazing.
Anything
Especially like the apples all decorated up. However, we are getting one of the Rice Krispie Santa hats. Because it just sounds good to me. I mean, doesn't it?
It sounds amazing.
Okay, so yeah, that is a candy store in a nutshell. I know we missed a lot of stuff, but you can't look at everything. We are back in town center now. The parade lineup is in full swing, so we're gonna go around. Okay, here's a question. Do you want to eat that now or later? Later, and we're eating that later. Ooh, I like this. That means we should probably visit Mickey and Tinkerbell later too. That, my friends, is a Santa hat Mickey Mouse Rice Krispie treat.
Yes, it is.
And I'm starting to sound like cast members because I'm calling everyone my friends.
It happens.
It looks wonderful. Now, however, the poop ball already came off. So do you want the poop ball? Are we gonna share the poop ball? That is a sugary poop ball. It's like a sugar covered marshmallow.
It is.
I cannot wait.
You ready to try the poop ball?
No, I want to save the poop ball.
Okay.
I want to try the Rice Krispy treat here. So what is it? It's Rice
like
Krispy, white chocolate,
white
and
chocolate.
sugar, right?
Yep.
Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Oh wow, was this thing good? There's just one piece left, though.
I know.
It's the last one. It's
gotta try it.
Whoa. Guess I'm trying it.
You're eating it now, babe.
Oh, that was a sweet marshmallow.
It was.
This is really good. I enjoyed it. I'm glad we got it.
Me too.
Mm-hmm. Town Square Theater. Time to meet Mickey and Tinkerbell. Let's go. Now, I can honestly tell you, I've never actually been in here to know what this even looks like. So this is cool. I like the floor. Of course, they're selling stuff. They sell stuff everywhere. And if you believe this is, yeah, Tony's Town Square restaurant. That's the waiting area for that. But we're going straight. Okay, who first? I mean, they're both super short lines, so.
Maybe we should do Mickey first.
Mickey first. Perfect. Mickey it is. Mickey! I love this room.
It's so cool.
We're in here meeting the mouse himself who here in a minute in his magic shop. It's awesome looking in here. That's super cool. Town Square Theater and everything Disney, Mickey you could think of. I want the sleigh. I don't care about these. I mean, I do. Those are sweet, but the sleigh is cool. I know. You want Chip and Dale. I know. But you also want Pluto. We'll have to get all of them.
Well, yeah.
Well, Kristen is in the restroom. I figured I'd step out here real quick and watch a little bit of the Festival Fantasy Parade. Ooh, sparkly and pretty. This is awesome looking. Ooh, wow. Oh, this is cool.
Okay.
I like this. It's a giant flower! Yay! Like everything is so cool looking. Like you can definitely tell these are like designed green meats. It's not like the ones that are just randomly throughout the park.
Right.
Honey,
Yes.
do you need some tea? There's a teacup right there.
I see the
You
teacup.
could just flip it over and have like a tea bath.
Tea bath?
Yeah, I'm saying, geez. Maybe the thimble. That might be enough tea for you.
Maybe. But
Yeah.
it come out the holes though.
Oh. Thimbles don't actually have holes though.
Oh yeah, that's right.
They're just pressed. That was fun. That was one of the best interactions we've had so far.
It was a lot of
But there's no photographer. It's all automated picturing. It just snaps pictures every so many seconds, and if you're looking, you're looking. If you're not, you're not.
I think that's
They make
helps
sure
the
at the
interaction.
end, right? They make sure at the end you get a couple good ones, but still, it's interesting. I liked it.
I did too.
Okay, now that we're done up here a little bit, we're gonna go back down Main Street to get a super zoom photo again.
Again.
That didn't work out the first time.
Sure didn't.
Then we're going to go into Fantasyland just for a little bit.
A little bit.
Just for a little bit. Like I know we already did this once, but I feel like I need to do it again.
Because it's so beautiful.
Yes, are you ready? The reveal from this side, you already know what it looks like, but it is so awesome. I love it.
Sorry, I didn't mean to bump you.
It's okay. Fantasyland time. I think we changed our plans again. We were going to do Seven Dwarfs Mine Coaster now. We're going to wait till dark to do it.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's just go explore Fantasyland. I know there's characters you want to meet, so we definitely got to do that. Yay! Love the castle. Love the view of the castle.